Yeah, hello.
I'm currently sharing.
Yeah, I can see you now. Yeah. So hello. Yeah, let's start. I can't see your screen here. Okay. I've seen it. So
What of now?
yeah. Uh,
Okay. So now I'll be using this code sandbox for easy sharing.
okay. Okay. So it's my box. Oh, it's my box. Okay, so work together through code sandbox, right?
Okay, so it creates a static HTML template
So
for us.
maybe should
Yes,
we
we can.
so how do I log into the
Okay,
how do I use it with you? Okay, I can see code sandbox now. So okay,
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 I think I can share with you.
okay. How do I go
Okay,
about
can you
that?
call your email address?
Can I send it via here? Can I send it here? Or okay, should I? Okay, I'll send it to you now.
Yes, yes.
Okay, I'll send it right away. Uh, yeah, so I've sent it to you via WhatsApp. I
Okay.
sent it to you via WhatsApp. So, oh yeah. So let's begin. Let's start. And okay, give to the power problem and think should start. Back. Yeah, hello.
Hello?
Yeah, so I can't see that here. I've sent you sent I've sent it to you rather. So
Yes, I've
I
sent an
don't.
invitation.
Okay, I'll just maybe I should go about. Okay, let's, yeah. So hello.
Hello? Have you seen it?
Hello.
It's like the internet at your side is.
I think it's fine here. I can work with some things really now. So you haven't sent. Okay, okay. I didn't even check my mail. I thought it's WhatsApp invitation link. So we've used 5 minutes now, and I'm trying to do that. So checking my mail. Can you just hello?
I didn't get what you said. Hello?
I said can you start now?
Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen clearly.
Okay. Okay, so we start by creating a CSS file. And we link each CSS file to this HTML file.
Yeah, maybe we do this main.css style. Okay, anyone who wants to. You didn't even send the invitation link to me, so I didn't see it.
Okay. Okay. Let me resend.
Yeah.
You should check your mail again. Okay, so I'll check if the style is correctly linked.
Okay. 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 Yeah. So I haven't seen it. I haven't seen it.
Okay, maybe I should just send you this um on WhatsApp.
Okay, I've seen it. I've seen it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now that the CSS is linked, I can remove this. Firstly, You need an input and a form. To be used for entering the to-do items. Okay, this is it. So I'll be styling the input a bit. So can you see my screen?
I can see it.
Okay. So I'll be giving the input border radius to make it look a bit more presentable. Okay, so I want to center the input. So I need to put that on the form tag. I will align the inputs to the center.
Why don't you use the center tag so to be easier?
The center tag is it has been deprecated, so it's not very advisable to use it.
So okay,
Okay,
I'm
so I
trying
will
to work
increase the
on
width of the inputs.
I'm trying to work on the code sandbox.io here, but it seems because of the internet connection, that's why it's not working. So uh,
Okay,
I think I can see it here now. I think I can see it here. So yeah.
okay. What of now? Have you been able to?
Yeah, I can see it now. It's fine now. So I can see
Okay,
the HTML, CSS, and everything you've done here. So and just start what to do. So can you just use maybe H1? Sorry, H2.
like can you reload it again because I'm not sure if it's reloading. What I just did reloaded at your
I
side.
know I'm working on the index.html file here.
Okay.
H2.
Like, are you going to share your screen now, or I should stop sharing now?
You can share it. You can. No, I'm not sharing the screen. You can do that.
Okay. So I'm going to add a button called create to do. So what the button does is that it's going to add the item to the to-do list. So I need to break the button to the next line. So I can either use a break tag here, and I need to give this button a margin so that it will be separate from the input field.
I think I can just see something here, but I'm not making changes to what I'm doing.
Okay. Okay, so I gave the button a little margin. So I need to increase the size of the button a bit by giving it padding. And I'll give it a little border radius too. So I will copy the one from the input and put it on the button. So I want to reduce the space between the the input and the button.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Or can you just create that
So whenever
can you create that input and the button as something that is prefixed or postfixed?
like beside each other, right?
Yeah, I mean they are even attached, prefix and postfixed. You get
Okay, I can try that. Like and it should be joined together here, right?
yeah.
Okay. So I think I'm going to be removing the right border. So
Okay, okay, okay.
the border right, I'll give it none. Then the button, I'll remove the border left on the button.
Wait, please. I don't think I'm editing. I'm not editing any code here. So I think you're the only one doing this because I can't see it. I can't see what I've done here.
Okay, check the live screen.
I can see it. I can see it.
Okay, so the padding between the inputs and the button. Okay, the padding between the input and the button, I will reduce it a bit. So I'm going to, or the margin, so that it will be joined together even more. Okay, so I'm going to be inspecting this input to see where the padding and the margin is.
You can just create a header on top of it.
It's like this platform is taking some time to load, so it's currently
Yeah.
showing a blank screen.
True.
So I want to shift this button to the left a bit. So I give it margin left of a minus value.
Oh yeah, I can work on it now. I think it's working fine. It's working fine now.
Okay.
Yeah. Working. So I've done some things on the index.html for now. Just don't put the text to.
Okay. So can you check the button now and the inputs? They are inside each other now, like they are.
Yeah, yeah, I can see.
You can see it, right?
Okay, okay, okay. Maybe this. Line, just be
Should I continue?
Yeah, you can continue.
Okay. So after I finish the form part now, like I'll create some cards.
Did you create did you switch it to read mode only? And see something here.
No. Maybe if you check your mail again, like maybe you need to go from your mail to access it, like access it from your mail to be able to write because
Okay,
I
okay. No problem.
okay. So give a div a card class so we can be able to style the class directly.
I didn't even say anything on my mail because I used my GitHub to sign in there.
Okay. So the cards, I'll give them some item bits.
You just change the okay, you can't see it there.
Or you can sign in first on their platform. You know.
Yeah.
Then you can sign in on their platform using your mail.
No, I did that with GitHub. Yeah, GitHub. Okay. I'm trying to change the font here to 4 pins. It's fine now. Still the same. Yeah, so I was trying to change the fonts to 4 pins. So let me see what you have done. Yeah.
Okay. This code I will give you the bit of margin. Okay, so can you see?
Yeah. And just see your okay. No, going here. Hello. Yeah, I can see it.
Okay. I'll align the cards to the center. The auto will make it aligned to the center. Okay, so I want to increase the width of the card a bit. can reduce the height a bit. Can you see who is online?
Yeah.
Okay, like how many people is online?
Just zero, nobody. I think it was actually two before. It was two. So just decreased now. Maybe due to the internet connection problem.
Oh,
But I'm very sure.
okay.
You're going to watch it later. So
Okay, so what's way forward now?
yeah.
I said, what's the way forward now? Hello? Hello?
So you can see I've changed the font now.
I don't get.
I said you can see I've changed the font now. The font.
Uh, I can't see it here.
Okay. Uh, can you see it now?
On the CSS or the HTML?
Everything here seems to be popping. So done that. Yeah, I think you can see it now.
No, I can't.
Maybe you should reload the how do I call it? View, yeah, you should review your browser, reload it. I think there's a reload button there.
I've
There's
reloaded.
a button there. Yeah. I said there's a button there where you can reload what you're trying to do instead of reloading the web browser, the page
Yes,
on its
I've
own.
done that before. It's not reloading.
Okay. Yeah. I should be asking what's the way forward now. I should be asking what the way forward is rather. Uh,
Um, Now that there's nobody online, so hello. Hello.
hello.
Okay, so I said now that there's nobody online, like we're making it for them, so it's just like you get me.
Yeah. Yeah. Uh, okay. Let's we can move now. So what do we have to do? We have to do. I should be asking you what the way forward is.
Um, if we make it a recorded video, something like that. So
It's live already. It's live,
eh,
and I can't. I don't think I can make it a recorded video in some way like this. Yeah. But I think people have been saying this. Yeah. People have been saying this too.
okay. So I will edit the HTML file. So I will center this HTML, this text,
Okay.
like from bottom to top, like in the middle. Let me try line height.
Okay. 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 Okay.
So let me align it a bit to the left. Into font family. Okay, so now that we have a basic template for the to do, so we can duplicate as much of these cards.
Okay.
Okay, so now that we've duplicated it, so I can remove the two of them. So we create a JavaScript file for it. So from here. So I'll link the JavaScript file. So I'll test the file if it's working. So it's working. So I can remove this alert.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, now we can have an array of to-dos. I'll use the ES6 syntax stored inside an array.
Yes, it's here. Okay. I actually don't.
I don't get.
I actually don't use the ES6.
Yeah, you should start using it because it's like it has more features, more to save you a lot of work sometimes.
Yeah, I heard of it.
Okay. Now we need a function that can add item to do. Call it add to do. Okay, now this
Can't
button,
actually
I'll
see
give
that.
it.
Can't see that.
What's that? The button, the function.
Yeah, I can't see what.
Are you looking at the live screen?
Yeah, I can see it. Yeah.
Okay. Now, whenever you click this button, you should call this function add to do. So I'm going to put some click on this. So let me test if it is linked. It is linked now. Okay, so inside this card will be inside the container so that we can be able to add items inside the container. So we call it card container.
Eh, wait, did you, how do I call it now? Did you, have you, reloaded the stuff? The, iframe you're using?
Yes, I have. Like as I'm coding, it reloads by itself.
Oh, you didn't save it. You have to save it.
Yeah, I do. It's auto save. It's on auto save.
You have to save it. Where else? I can't see. I won't see it.
It's on auto save. If I don't save it, you signify
Okay.
here. Okay, now I need to get the DOM element of this card container.
Okay. Did you use okay, undefined?
So I'll use document.get element by ID.
I think one person is working it now.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I can append a to-do item to this card container.
Okay, check your script.js. Okay. Can't even see script.js.
Like you have to open it from the files.
Uh, yeah. Okay, maybe I should share my screen to you and maybe you should see what I'm doing.
Yeah. Um, I stopped sharing, right?
No, 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 no problem. Can continue sharing.
Okay, so I'll use JavaScript to create a new development, new card. So I would set the card in HTML to do item. I'll I'll soon replace it later. So I'll append it to the card container. Let me try append charge first.
I still can't see the. I still can't see what you have done. It's code sandbox box.
Maybe you should reload the
I've
stuff.
tried it. I've tried it. I've tried it. At least twice or four times.
Okay.
I can actually do this with normal JavaScript without using ES6. I did that before we started this.
Okay, are you seeing this stuff now?
Yeah, I
Check the
can
light
see it.
screen. What I am doing.
Okay.
So I've linked the button to
I
these
just
to
check.
do items.
Okay. Nobody's here.
Okay, so I will now make it such that the items inside the card is the same thing you entered inside the input.
Okay.
So I'll give the input an ID too. So I will access it here. So we'll get the element by ID. So I'll fill do input value inside this HTML. So as you can see now, anything I enter inside these to do items will be here.
Ah, I can see it now. Your script.js. Yeah, I can see what you're doing.
Okay. So now let me try to save everything inside the local storage. So whenever you add a new to do. So I'll first convert the array to a string before I can save it inside local storage. So I can call local storage dot set item. This is the key that we use to save the items. So whenever a new to do is added, it is going to save everything to local storage. So from there, I want to get the to do items from local storage whenever the stuff is reloaded. So I use local storage dot get item. So I'll convert it back from string to array again. So let me provide an alternative value for it in case it can't find
I
the
think
to-do items.
we have few more minutes to go.
Okay, now. Okay, so what I need to do is push the item also to the to-do
We have
array.
less than 20 minutes for this, and I said we have less than 20 minutes for this, and I feel we should use normal JavaScript, and I think this ES6 is harder.
Yeah, it's mostly the only difference is just this const. It's just var. Like every other thing is just regular
Because
JavaScript.
I can even say what I did with JavaScript here. I can show you now. Let me check. Can't even see it here. Actually, it's from this.
Okay, so now I'm done with it. Like now, wh- even when you reload your browser, anything you save will still be there. Hello.
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 Yeah, I can see you now.
Okay, so I said I'm done with it.
Yeah, thank you very much. It's nice to have you, and I'll share the link of what we built today via Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and social media platforms like that. So it was nice having you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yeah. So can you just test what we built?
Okay. Yeah. Now
Or should we just give it a style? Like, you understand?
So whenever I reload, yeah, stuff will still be there. So it persists any value you save inside the local storage.
Can we just give it a style for now? To to create with JavaScript. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, so I actually can't see your screen again. I said we should start it or something. Should give
We
it a
should
start. Yeah?
we should what?
I said we should give it a start. Like the styling, we should work on the styling.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't think I can do that now because that's exceeded like
Okay, no problem. So it was nice having you. Thank you very much. And I think I'll have you some day to work on some things with me. Probably on React Native. I think you know React Native, so you should work on that very soon.
okay.
Yeah, so bye.
Bye.